So this value here, let me start with 15. 15 plus 5 plus 20 and then plus x here plus 7 plus 8 plus 12, everything should be equal to, let's check if we have written everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So everything should be able to give us this value 70. So everything add up to 70, which is the total number of students in the universal set. Now, if I add 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 7, 47. And 47 plus 8 is 55. 55 plus 12 should give us 67. So I have x as the value on its lifetime there, x plus 67, which is the total of the numbers that we've added just now, and that should be equal to 70. So I can now obtain my x as 70 minus 67. When this positive 67 goes to that side, it becomes negative 67. And that will give us x is equal to 3. 70 minus 67 is 3. So that means this value of number of students that offered all 3 subjects, that is the first question here. The number of students that offered all 3 subjects is equal to x, and that is equal to 3.